everybody, it's Lee again. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how do I cut my own hair. So this is a tutorial or DIY video again, so if you're interested, then keep on watching. So for this year, it's going to be my second time that I cut my own hair. So this is just a simple, quick and easy step. What will happen is the back is going to be V-shaped, so as you can see, it's actually below my shoulder length already, and I would like to cut it about 1.5 inches, I think, and we can go over more than 2 inches, or we can go over at least 2 inches. So just to set your expectation, I already had my hair layered before, so the cut of my hair is layered and it's like V-shape at the back. So what we're trying to achieve is a V-shape too at the back. So this is how it looks like at the back. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. What we need to have is just 2 ponytails, or you can use a rubber band, and scissors, of course. Don't laugh at my scissor, I'm just using a small one, but this is sharp enough to cut my hair. I already tried it before. So the first step is you will tie it in front like this. It will be easier if you have a comb, but it should look like this. You need to put your hair all the way in front. Just into your forehead like this. Just fixed it because I needed should be properly like that, and then I'm aiming to cut it at least 1.5 inches. So let me just approximate it, so it should be like this. See? So I will put the other ponytail here. And then I'm going to cut 1.5 inches from this end. Let me just get something to catch the hairs I'm gonna mess with. Just get paper, so that it will be all cleaned up. Sorry, it's taking a while. See, I'm going to cut it now. So if you're not confident enough, you may seek professional hairstylist, of course, but in my case, I prefer to just do it on my own. save money, of course, to be more practical. Okay, as you can see, I'm already done. I already cut 1.5 inches from this here. Obviously it's not perfect. It's a bit sideways, but I can do a trick on it later on, because you need to like cut something in the middle like this, so that you can create an illusion that it's not freshly cut. So we need to cut it in the middle or at the edges like this. So I will do that in a few minutes, and I will show you the outcome after. Look what I'm doing. I'm just trying to cut the middle. If you're actually afraid to try it on your own, it doesn't necessarily mean that you need to do it by yourself. Still, it's safe to seek a professional hairstylist, because if you've done the wrong thing or you were not able to do it properly, then you will end up having an unwanted haircut. But in my case, I've done this like a few times before, so I'm a bit confident about it. But just a disclaimer, I'm not a professional, so what I'm just sharing to you is my experience or my own. It was just inspired by one of the YouTubers that I watched before. And I don't remember her channel anymore because it's been years. There are also times that I try to seek professional hairstylists, but most of the time they were not able to get the hairstyle that I wanted, so that's why I just decided to do it on my own. And haircut here is a bit expensive, so this will really help me to save a lot of money. Okay, we're done. I think that's it. I will share to you guys the results on my DIY haircut. Here it is. But thumbs up for me. So if you guys think that this is if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any comments, suggestions, please don't hesitate to comment down below. And please subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video. Let me show you what I got on the back. Not perfect, but it does have some layers on